All right, guys. This video is going to be similar to last week's. We're going to be just sitting here. I'm going to be talking to you guys, just unedited, raw video. And today I want to talk about sticking to your strategy. This is something I struggled with the last two trading days of the week. I'll just let you guys know if you haven't watched the trade recaps that I posted this week. But Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I had pretty flawless trading. Was up, I think, like 6 or 550, then 650, then like 500. Honestly, perfect. Like a great way to start this new Express account that I just got on Sunday. If you guys didn't watch last week's video, I passed my first eval with a strategy, and so those days were perfect days. I stuck to my rules, I stuck to my strategy, and it played out perfectly just like I needed it to. Coming into Thursday and Friday, we had red news. Thursday, red news wasn't nearly as volatile as it was today. It is 12:11 when I'm making this video, but Thursday wasn't the worst red news. I think everyone traded, really. I was trading. But I broke one of my rules, which was over trading, and I tried to get out of drawdown and make profit, which is so stupid. It is a terrible habit, you guys. We need to learn, or I need to learn, and you guys should hopefully want to learn how to take a loss and just get off. It is very dumb. For example, if the day I was down, I think it was 500 originally, but I retook a trade and I got up, and then I lost on my third trade, which was going to be my final trade, because I was in profit from the second trade. But I was down like $300, and I was like, man, I really don't want to be down. And so I entered, and I could have lost another $250 to $300, putting me down $600, which is a lot more. The most I want to lose in a day is $400, you guys. That's kind of my limit, and I'm gonna lock myself out from now on if I lose more than that. So, creating bad habits like that is just terrible, and it might stunt our growth in our trading journey. Because I'm still where most of you guys maybe are. Maybe you guys are ahead of me, but I have a feeling it's gonna stunt my growth if I can't learn how to take a loss, and I start creating these bad habits like trying to trade out of drawdown. So, for example, coming into today, I should have never traded. PAL, CPI, and PPI are 3, no more. I'm done. I will not trade those anymore. That is a firm, and I will make sure I lock my account that day so I can't even take a trade. Those are my rules from now on, and yeah. So today, I broke that rule. I ended up losing a total of $600, and I was down $300 originally, and I wanted to end the day break even or up some. So guess what I did? I tried to take another trade, and I instantly got wicked out again because the market was so volatile, and that's why I need to be careful on these red days. So, I'm now down $600 on my Express account because I broke my rules. It's very simple, you guys. I think I want to be an example of why you should stick to your rules, because I should have only been down 300, technically 250. I should have only been down 250 today. I added a little more risk because I didn't get the best fill, and I trade fair value gaps, so I had to give it a little more cushion than I wanted to. But trading, I think, is real simple. I think this week showed me that if I stick to my rules, I'm going to be better off than breaking them. And I still up $1,300 on my eval. But yeah, it's simple, guys. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I stuck to my rules. I was up $1,700. The moment I broke my rules is the moment I lost money. I took a trade Wednesday PM. I broke my rules by trading out of the AM session. I lost $200. I break my rules by trading on Friday when Pal speaks. I lost $600. So, I think this week was a great learning lesson for me, at least, on why I need to stick to my strategy. I'm ordering a whiteboard, and I'm going to put it right here. You know what? We'll show you. It's going to go right here above my computer. And I'm going to write my rules. This might sound corny, but I'm going to write rules and goals down. And every morning, I'm going to look at those rules, make sure I don't break them. I also have my journal, which is in my backpack. That's got my rules written down in it. But I hope you guys hopefully take some, I don't know if I did give you advice, but I hope you guys take something from this video and learn from my mistakes of breaking my rules, because that's something I notice. When I break my rules, I lose money. I'll even pull up here on my Top Step account. I'll show you guys my performance on what happens when I trade and when I break my rules. So if we come here to the calendar, Monday, we follow rules, we make $540. Tuesday, we follow rules, we make $650. Wednesday, we follow rules, I make $322. And Thursday, I broke my rules. I was fortunate enough to be in profit. And then today, I break my rules and I lose $600. I know it says 9 trades, but that is from me setting buy and sell limits like within my trades to take profits. But yeah, I'm starting to say the same things again, but I'm just going to end this video here. I hope you guys will stick to your rules, and I'm going to be posting trade recaps. I'm going to hold myself accountable and stick to my rules, and I hope you guys will see that in my trade recaps. But I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.